Hello. Today we're doing another video this time on a 2016 Ram ProMaster. The issue with this one is the vehicle is overheating, but it does not have our traditional issues, which is normally this coolant reservoir tank would be empty, and when you look down the side of the engine, you would actually see coolant and oil running off of the side of the engine, which would actually indicate a failed oil cooler. This time when doing a basic check, I allowed the vehicle to idle and run, and I went and touched my upper and lower radiator hoses, and I found that they are cold, one of them was cold and one was hot. Basic diagnostics tell us that the vehicle needs a thermostat, so that's what we're going to start with today. Our thermostat is actually located, if you follow this hose right there, it's located down the side of the engine, so we're going to go ahead and do some disassembly to reach that. So this repair technically can be done from up top. I just went ahead and removed the splash shield in this area, just a couple of size 8s and a size 15, but you could basically get to it from the top, but since I have a lift, I'm going to go ahead and do it from the bottom. This is our thermostat right there. It's a whole assembly. It has 2 bolts on it, and essentially, let's see if I can get it right there. That's a good picture of it right there. So you got 2 size 10 bolts, one on the bottom, one on the top, and then you actually got to deal with this clip. Let's see if I can zoom in, try to clean that up a little bit. Oh, not really. There we go. You got to deal with that clip, so you might have to attack this from the bottom and the top. One of the first steps you want to do is drain the cooling system. I'm going to use this heater hose line and get the coolant out. Clamp and go back with the worm style clamp. I'll show you in a minute, but it's definitely not a lot of room to work with. It's easy to get some needle nose pliers in here. Just basically cut a piece of it off. I got that band torn off. Now we can just got our new band on there, got our new thermostat, got some dielectric grease on there just to help slide it in.